The standard definition for science is a systematic enterprise that builds and organizes knowledge in the form of testable explanations and predictions about the universe.
Wait. I'm not going to talk about it.
Talk about how it relates to science.
I don't know how it relates to science, I just made it.
Okay, well, obviously it has some...
I don't know them.
Oh, yeah. Parallel circuits, okay.
And it, makes
Maybe
me
I'm not north
advanced
enough.
it.
You ain't that
Awesome. That's awesome. Pretty cool, eh?
Pierogies are
But yeah, it can make the light bulb light up.
but with cheese and potato inside.
Stop videoing.
Science gives us the two explanations about why things happen. Also, they show us how far we've come as a species. They help us reason with why we're so small and the universe so big. One thing science doesn't do well, it really is answer questions, because at the end of the day, it leaves you hanging with just more questions than even before. Hence why scientists are never out of a job.
The nature of science is all around us, from the grass on the ground to the clouds in the sky, to the condensation to the
During this time of the year, as many of your cars and back porches are completely covered in pollen, which, technically speaking, is just the sperm from plants that are going to fertilize other ones, and with that flowers and some types of grasses and trees wouldn't be able to, I guess, exist, or I guess a better term would be live, because they wouldn't be able to be fertilized and to be able to reproduce, so we would run out. Growing up, one of the most common questions that I guess the closest thing to science we got to was which came first, the chicken or the egg. And scientists have wondered if the chicken actually forms the yolk and the white stuff in them, or if it just kind of comes like that. If you remember in elementary school, we did experiments of taking care of the egg and watching it, and observing it go through the stages and then hatching. Do you like science? Yes, you like science? You look a little angry. Are you PMSing? Ew!
sparklers produce a chemical reaction consisting of an oxidizer, a fuel, either iron, steel, or another metal powder, and a combustible binder. As a basic experiment, you have your baking soda, which is a base, and your vinegar, which is an acid. When combined together, causes a chemical reaction.
I give up.